Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Phoibos Proteus 300 meter automatic diver. And the reference number for this guy is PY024B, and that B is for blue. Very, very cool looking dial. We're going to get into that. And the bezel is marked in blue also. Really, really nice. And I got to say, first off, my first impressions, I really like this watch. I love the bold, big cut edges. Just a big, chunky, industrial looking watch. Love how the lugs are flowing downward and they hug your wrist. We'll take a look at a wrist shot later also. It just flows really nicely right into this bracelet. Basic brushed case, a little polishing on top. Very nice crown with embossed logo on the crown, knarling on the crown and knarling on the bezel. But the embossed logo, let me get into this bracelet a little bit here first. It's a solid end link bracelet. Phoibos knows bracelets. Phoibos does a good job on bracelets. I don't think there's been a Phoibos on the channel here that hasn't had a very, very nice bracelet. Screw adjustment links, which are really nice, easy to adjust. Phoibos logo on the flip clasp. This is a flip locking clasp and a very nice machine clasp, but the double embossed logo, yeah, it's on the, let me get this here focused. It's on the crown and on the back of this watch. Very nicely done, very cool looking, clean, crisp. Phoibos on the top, 300 meters on the bottom on the screw down case back. And it's just simple, clean and nice. I like it a lot. Hey, let's get into some specs on this guy. This does have a 42 millimeter diameter case, 49 millimeters lug to lug, 13 millimeters thickness, and a 22 millimeter bandwidth. By the way, I think I might have bypassed this on the bezel. It is a 120 click ceramic bezel, and this bezel's surrounding this nice domed sapphire crystal. I got to tell you, it does reflect, but they are saying it has 3 layers of anti-reflective coating, AR coating, on the inside of the crystal. So that's pretty cool. It does a good job, but you still get some reflection, by the way. Let's take a look at this beautiful dial. Now they call it a grainy dial, and if you can see it, that nice grainy texturing, absolutely nice, really beautiful. I like that textured dial. There's a good shot. You can see the grains, very nicely done. Applied indices, got the Phoibos logo right below 12 o'clock position. 3 o'clock rounded out date window, and I love that second hand with the red tipped arrow and a little lightning bolt second hand. Automatic and 300 meters right above the 6 o'clock position. And all this has a lot of lume on it. I'm gonna zoom back out here for a lume shot. So the lume on Phoibos is really good, and this one is no exception. It's banging, guys. It's banging. 15 layers of Super-LumiNova C3 on Upper Dial and BGW9 on the handset, indices, and bezel markers. So, wow, I just love that. It looks awesome. Hey, this is also running the caliber NH65 movement, so it's a good movement. A lot of micro brands use it, easy service, cheap to service, and basically a nice workhorse movement for an everyday watch. Hey, let's get this on my wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. And by the way, this watch was sent to me by Aaron Dunlop of the OFD channel, so please be sure to check his channel out. And thanks, Aaron, for sending this out to me. I got to tell you, I love the way this presents itself on my wrist. Those curved down lugs, they do hug your wrist. It looks really, really good too. I like pretty much everything about this one. Very, very nice. Hey, if you want one of these, it might be hard to get one. I think they're all sold out. I think there were $299 on their website. I'll leave a link to their website below. You can check it out. If you get one of these, you're lucky, and it's a cool looking piece. Hey, that's my short look at the Phoibos Proteus 300 meter diver. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I'd appreciate it. Hey, and as always, stay well.